are so excited to introduce our new application that we built within one day as part of Build Club AI Hackathon, the Packet Philosopher. I am going to explain you the project scope. Without further ado, let's wait for the project scope that I will be explaining in detail. Thank you. There are many different types of philosophies are available, but due to time limitation, we had restricted our scope to only three: Eastern philosophy, as well as Stoicism and existentialism. And we wanted to build it as a therapy chat interface, so that way user can reach out anytime whenever they are feeling dull, so excited, or what is going through in their system. They can try to get details from the by using the LLM model. And to gamify it, it will provide a score like a happiness rating as well. So that's what we had built it. And our technical solution is like for the front end, we had mainly used Next.js and Radix UI, and also the Tailwind CSS. And the front end communicates with the back end, which is mainly built in Python with Flask for giving the API provisions. And also this, this internally invokes the LangChain for the LLM model. And the LangChain model that we have chosen is Cohere API, Cohere AI. So from the front end, the request will come to the back end and then interacts with the Cohere AI through different agents. So this is what our architecture. So when human decides which philosopher to chat with, he is having an option to choose it. He can choose either Eastern philosopher or Stoic or extensionalist. And once he chooses that philosopher and provided his question, it will go and execute that LLM model to get his happiness rating based on the message he had typed and the tone he had typed. And it will provide the diagnosis. So these are the different agents we had built it: the Eastern philosopher and the Stoic existentialist, and happiness rating agent, a diagnosis agent, and which internally prescribes the treatment or next steps to be proceeded with. So once the details is being provided, it will go and check if the human still wants to chat with the philosopher. If they still want to continue, they can post further more questions, or if they want to choose the different philosopher, they can very well choose as well. So that option we get enabled it. So without further ado, let me move on to the demo. So this is our applications. Once we execute the front end and back end, we'll get that the user details it will collect. Welcome to the Packet Philosopher, and enter your name. I'm just giving my name, this one. And here you can see all the chats that you had interacted with, in case if you had already communicated, or you can go and very well change your settings by changing your name, what you want to display. And here you can select that typing your message, and once you type it, you can send the message here. So you can choose which philosopher you want to select it. So either one of them you can choose it. So I am currently choosing Eastern Guru. Hello. So it will select that, okay, selected philosopher, and whatever the question it is provided. It is making connection with Cohere AI and responding it back. Okay. Feel free to ask us any questions anytime. And thank you. We got shared our code in the GitHub repository, and reach out us anytime. Thank you.